Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Algorand, and this is going to be our first time actually doing a technical analysis of Algorand. So many people have asked, and now here it is. So what we're currently seeing with Algorand right now, that it had reached its 52-week low back in the middle of June, like many other cryptocurrencies. But the thing here with Algorand is it has multiple times come down and just really retested that low. And what we're finally seeing now within this wedge pattern that it had been trading within is it's now showing signs that it is breaking out or looking to break out. So this could just be a really good attempt to break out, or this might be that breakout getting ready to happen for Algorand. So what we got going on here is that Algorand had come down within these 5 waves. So it was at a price back in November of 2021 that was around $2.80, and then it had come down significantly from there within 5 waves, and then completed that 5th wave in the middle of June. And now we're really just trying to figure out what all this is. So anything that we really count, just consider it being a subwave within a wave 1 impulse that we're going to be having here. So this consistent consolidation has been very interesting because it's really a lot like what we were seeing with Cardano, where it had tested its 52-week low multiple times, and then and now it's attempting a breakout, just like what we had seen with Cardano do as well. But very similar as far as the way that it had come down, where we had seen Cardano also come down from a price that was around $3. So we've seen the very similar type of price movement with Algorand. So a lot that could potentially really even be retraced here from where it was within these previous waves that it had to the downside. So there's a lot of potential here. Now, what's more important to look at, though, since we're here on the daily chart, what we can see is part of this pump that we're seeing, this resistance within it, is due to the 200-day moving average, which we recently just passed our 100-day moving average, had a big pump that had took us up to test that 200-day moving average, and we actually did manage to go a little bit above it, and now what we're seeing is just a bit of a resistance that is going on right now. So if we were to take this on over to the 4-hour chart, and what we can see is how this resistance is currently stacking up. You can see that we're having a little bit of pullback, but that doesn't mean that we can't just go back and try to pump back through this trend line and then keep working up and get over that 200-day moving average. So the price that we need to see Algorand overtake is a price of 45 cents. So if we can see this go to 50 cents here very soon, that would be absolutely amazing. Now, hopefully we don't start to see even more pullback within the price and it come down for another retest of that 52-week low. That would not be a good sight to see, but there's still that possibility. But hopefully this momentum that we're seeing, it does continue, since we have been seeing that go on here for a good while now. So hopefully that there's enough accumulation within it that is going to help benefit it to actually pump back through and overtake that 200-day moving average. Now, let's real quick look over at our bull market support band, which we're currently above that as well. So that's very beneficial to see that we are above that bull market support band. And if we're able to continue holding on to that, the last time that we were actually on the other side of the bull market support band, that was back in January of 2022. So that whole time we've been underneath it. So in the bear market, it was the bear market resistance band. So just recently, we actually also pumped through that. So hopefully we're going to be able to maintain a price above this. And so we need to maintain a price that's around 40 cents to be able to do such. So if we can see this not fall down below 40 cents, hopefully things are going to be looking to the upside more. Now, we have been seeing Algorand climbing up the ranks in the crypto market cap, currently the 26th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And over these last 7 days, it's actually up nearly 25%. So we're seeing a pretty significant price pump going on here. Now, the market cap of Algorand is around $3 billion right now at the moment. And one of the things that is really helping out the pump is that there has been an increase of investments into different DeFi protocols that Algorand has, and we can see the total value locked on Algorand right now, how much it has recently just jumped, and it's currently sitting at 217 million. And if we look at it as far as the algo tokens go, there's about 528 million tokens currently locked. So it's recently just up about 11% here in the last 24 hours. Now, since Algorand did have these larger wave impulses that had taken the price down, I expect that we're going to be seeing the same thing happen within the next 5 waves to the upside. So we're all still within the first wave from these much larger impulses. But as far as things are going with our sub waves, that's what's very key right now to actually dial in. Now, there hasn't really been much going on as far as the price movement in comparison to where we would be looking at within our wave 4. So there's still a lot of possibility there that it could be retracing within this first wave. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to just count some of these subwaves out real quick that would all be part of the first larger wave impulse. So I would actually say that this could be our wave 1. We've come down within our wave 2, and this is all part of our wave 3 that I don't think is complete. I think that we might be seeing this wave 3 take us all the way up to a price of around 80 cents. And then we will see a little bit of retracement with that. And then I think that this wave 5 will be what would take us from that price around 70 cents from the wave 4. That would take us upwards around $1 to complete that wave 1. So this will be a pretty long wave 1, but I expect this all to be something that's going to take a lot of time. The Algorand has been through a lot. There's been a lot of testing going on, and there's been a lot of correction within the price. So there's a lot of possibilities here, especially as there's a lot of new interest within it, and we're starting to see it start to take off. I mean, those are pretty significant price pumps that we've seen over these last 7 days. So hopefully we can see this type of momentum continue, and Algorand can start breaking through these different prices that it needs, especially that price of 45 cents to that 200-day moving average. And that would hopefully really take us up within this wave 3 to take it to a price that could be close to 80 cents before we see it eventually go to the price of $1. So I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on what does happen with Algorand. I'll try to keep you guys updated at least once a week, if not more. And if we do see any sort of significant price bumps, I'll be sure to update you on that. So if you guys like this content, I do talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and I talk about different altcoins every day as well. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing and give this video a like, because it really does help me out a lot. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video coming out right after this.